Friends, so I'm back with another video on complete free Gulf jobs today. So in today's video you will be getting jobs for all the Gulf countries, all category jobs, and I'm going to cover more than 45 plus job posting. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any free job opportunities today. So friends, this posting is for Oman. It's a completely free recruitment. Interviews going to be online interview. Positions are quantity surveyor and senior quantity surveyor. BTech mechanical with minimum 8 years of experience is required. Gulf experience is mandatory, and that to experience in oil and gas industry is preferable. So free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the contact details below. Next is for Saudi. So this is also free recruitment. It's a shutdown 4 to 6 months, and direct line interviews will be on 22nd of September at Chennai. You can see the positions are foreman static, foreman catalyst, foreman HP, project leader chemical, chemical foreman supervisor and technicians, material controller, project leader static, project leader catalyst, and fabrication. Supervisor in static, catalyst, MFT and HP, project manager mechanical. So friends, you can see positions and number of openings are given. So number of openings are in pretty bulk. 4 plus years of experience in oil and gas industry, excellent salary plus OT, free food, accommodation, transportation, everything will be provided by company. These are the contact details. So friends, today you will get job from all the reputed consultants in India. So you no need to worry about their genuineness. They all are the top consultants in India. So next is for UAE. This is also free recruitment. Positions are fabrication, charge hand, foreman and general foreman. Must have experience in oil and gas industry. These are the contact details. So friends, don't forget to add your educational qualification documents and experience certificates along with your CV and the copy of passport. Next is for Qatar, for an international company for their oil and gas project. It's a free recruitment and positions are scaffolding supervisors, 20 nose, scaffolding inspectors, painting supervisors, QC insulation and QC refractors, API 936. So attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress, and this is from Sigil International. So they have their offices in Mumbai, Kochi and Chennai. You can see the WhatsApp number and email IDs are given for all the locations. Next is for Abu Dhabi. This is also free recruitment, and positions are job performance civil, job performance mechanical and job performance electrical. So all positions have 10 openings each. All candidates should have degree or diploma engineering with 3 to 4 years of oil and gas industry experience. UA experience preferred, must have excellent communication skills. Salary will be 4,000 to 5,000 AD plus food and accommodation will be provided by company. So this is from the same consultant. You can see the contact details for all three locations. Next is for Abu Dhabi for oil and gas project. This is also free recruitment, and the positions are job performers civil, 10 openings. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress. So friends, as I told you, there are many free recruitments today, so please don't skip, watch complete video. This is for Qatar. It's a short-term project. Client interviews will be online soon. Positions are planning engineer, scheduler, HSC coordinator, QA/QC coordinator, E&I coordinator, mechanical supervisor, PDW. So free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 40 hours work in a week plus overtime will be provided by company. Candidate should have sufficient Gulf experience in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical projects. So friends, for this posting, they have mentioned 4 locations. There are offices in Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Baroda. So you can reach out to any of your nearest location. Next is for Qatar. This is also free recruitment. This is for a major turnaround GTL shutdown project. Client interview will be held online. This is free recruitment and the positions are HSC lead, HSC officers, HSSC trainers, welding supervisors, rigging supervisors, mechanical supervisors, piping supervisor, store supervisors, electrical foreman and draftman. So shortlisting in progress. You can send your documents for shortlisting, and free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Attractive salary, overtime will be also applicable. Online selection and immediate medical will be completed. All candidates should have 5 years Gulf experience with 3 to 4 years turnaround shutdown in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical projects. So friends, for this posting they have around 6 locations like Mumbai, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai, Baroda and Kolkata. So you can choose any of your nearest location. Anyways, the interviews will be online, so you don't need to go anywhere. You can attend the interview remotely from your respective locations. Next, free recruitment for UAE for an international glass manufacturing and processing company for their supply chain department. It's a long term project. Client interview shortly. Positions are supply chain manager and estimator. So, for supply chain manager, bachelor degree in supply chain management or business administration with experience in purchasing, budgeting, warehouse, material industry, and heading a purchase functions in glass manufacturing or any manufacturing industry. Candidate with Gulf experience will be preferred. For estimator, bachelor degree or diploma in architecture engineering or any related field with experience in field of fire related steel glazing industry as technical estimator in glass manufacturing or any manufacturing industry. Candidate with Gulf experience will be preferred. So you can send your CV along with supportive documents on the given email IDs. So for this posting, locations you can see and their contact details are also mentioned in the posting. Next is for Kuwait. Next free recruitment is for Kuwait. Large requirement. Client interviews will be on 26th of September at Sigil International, Chennai. Positions are hydrogetter, bundle pool operator, manhole watcher, fire watcher, planning engineer, planners, schedulers or job tracker, QAQC engineer, QAQC inspectors, unit in charge day, unit in charge night, supervisor column, supervisor, exchanger, vessels, fitter, valves, rigging, hydrojetting, flange management, fabrication, scaffolding, insulation, valve tracker, and IT or network technicians. So friends, attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company, and you can see the contact details and multiple mobile numbers are given. So if you have any queries, you can contact them directly on the given numbers. Next is for UAE. It's a free recruitment, and this requirement is for a leading oil and gas company for their civil division. So it's a long term project. Positions are mason, senior carpenter, steel fixer, site engineer, civil, site engineers, JP, civil, QAQC, civil. So friends, you can see positions, number of openings, and their salary range. For a basic salary for 8 hours is given. It means OT will be additional. All candidates should have 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience. Free food and accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Shortlisting is started from 18th of September. So you can see the contact details. Next is for Abu Dhabi, UAE. It's a long-term job, free recruitment. Final client interview will be on 22nd of September in Vadodara. Position is multi welders. So multi welders are required. 6G, TIG and ARC. Salary range will be 2,200 to 2,500 basic plus OT, and free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Candidate with running test card preferred. Gulf experience is also preferred. So you can see the contact details below. Next free recruitment is for UAE for oil and gas project. Position is instrument fitters and the number of openings are 25. ITI with 5 years of experience in oil and gas construction project. Gulf experience is must. Offshore experience will be preferred. So attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Walk-in interviews 18th and 19th of September at Sigil International, Mumbai and Baroda. Contact details are clearly mentioned in the posting. So friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot and you can review the details later on before you apply. Next is for UAE. It's a free recruitment for a shutdown project. Positions are rigging engineer, AP certified, and material controller. Bachelor or diploma in mechanical engineering with 5 plus years of experience in shutdown and maintenance of oil and gas sector. Power sector in Gulf countries will also be preferred. So attractive salary plus other benefits, food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress, and for this posting the locations you can see below and their contact details. Next is for UAE. It's a free recruitment. So friends, as there are more than 45 posting, so I'm just trying to finish in stipulated period of time so that the video length will be little less. So it's a free recruitment for UAE. Positions are structural fabricators, airless spray painters, sandblasters, painting supervisors, welding supervisors, maintenance engineer, fabrication supervisor, warehouse supervisor, industrial maintenance mechanics, and machine operator, plasma, purlin, flange, punch, and angle line. So candidate must have minimum 5 years of experience in structural steel manufacturing company. Client interviews 19th of September. So these are the contact details of their Mumbai office. Next free recruitment is for a you know sub for a Qatar, and it's a long term project. Client interviews date is not yet declared, so it will be shortly. Positions are heavy automobile, electrician, technicians, instrument helper, instrument fitter, fabrication supervisor, riggers, rigging supervisor, crane operator, warehouse operator, yard operator, technical labor, storekeeper, forklift operator, general service foreman, control system technicians, I&E reliability technicians, I&E technicians, fire and gas, analyzer technicians, pipe fitters, mechanical technicians, chemist, CAD database engineer, OT cyber security technologist, document controller, maintenance planning engineer, logistics, rotating technician, instrument technicians, and electrical technicians. So friends, you can see there are many job openings for this long-term project, and Gulf experience candidate will be preferred. Benefits will be free food and accommodation. Candidate should have the following documents. They have mentioned the list of documents, so you can read this carefully and don't forget to add all these documents while applying for these jobs. So you can see the contact details and email ID. They have provided WhatsApp number also, so you can easily ping them on WhatsApp for any queries. Next free recruitment is for Kuwait. It's a shutdown project. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Client interview will be at Chennai on 22nd and 23rd of September. Position is senior mechanical technicians rotary. Salary will be 400 Kuwaiti dinar. And the another position is mechanical technicians rotary. Salary will be 300 Kuwaiti dinar. Diploma in mechanical or ITI. 8 plus years of experience in repair and turbo troubleshooting of rotating equipment in petrochemical plants or refineries. Candidate must have relevant shutdown project experience in oil and gas, chemical or petrochemical refineries. Another positions are heavy driver and light driver. Salary you can see in the posting. Kuwait light driving license active is mandatory for light driver position. Next is for Kuwait. This is for a leading company in oil and gas refinery and petrochemical. Shortlisting in progress, and the final client interview will be on 20th of September in Mumbai. So friends, apart from whatever free recruitments we have seen, there was some important positions as well at very attractive job posting. So I have included that as well for you. So please stay tuned. There are few postings are remaining. So watch complete video. So this is for Kuwait. Positions are general fitter, rigger, instrument technician, instrument fitter, conduit fitter and tray fitter, shuttering carpenter and mason. Attractive salary plus free food accommodation and OT will be provided by company. So these are the contact details. Next is also for Kuwait. Interview will be on the same date. Steel fixer, pipe fabricator, grinder, industrial electrician, civil helper, electrical helper, maintenance helper, and excavation helper. So all the facilities, contact details, and location will remain same. There are some different positions from the previous posting. This is for Israel, and the position is bakers. Minimum 5 years of experience in the food and bakery industry, experience with dough making and bread making machines. Next is for Kuwait for a shutdown project. Positions are supervisor valves, supervisor rigging, supervisor hydrojetting, and flange management. So prior experience in a shutdown is a plus. Must have good English communication skill. Below are the contact details. So this posting was for Kuwait. Next is for Kuwait again. Client interviews will be on 26th of September in Chennai. Positions are supervisor, all supervisory positions in exchanger, vessels, fitter or strainer, valves, and rigging. So you can see the positions and contact details are given below. Next is for Saudi transmission line project. Positions are tower design engineer and civil design engineer. Having work experience in the same field over 5 years, transmission line project experience is preferable. Candidates who have worked in overseas project will be preferred. So they have their locations in India: Delhi, Kochi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Vadodara. Next is for Israel. Positions are aluminium installers, aluminium fabricators, metallic panel installers, metallic fall ceiling installers, and cable tray installers, duct installers as well. So all installer positions, clean room assembly unit construction, and core role. You can see the detailed requirements are mentioned below. Minimum 6 years of experience is required. So the clean room assembler is a part of a production team that builds and install pre-engineered modular clean room, wall panel, and floor system, including exterior and interior wall panel systems, floor decking and related systems, aluminum vertical channels, threaded suspension rods, floor tracks, and ceiling sections, etc. So, ability to read and speak English is also mentioned. Work experience with aluminum and other materials. So, friends, for this detailed requirement, you can take a screenshot and read it before you apply. So this was for Israel. Below are the contact details. Next is for Saudi. It's a long-term project. Positions are QC Civil, QC Piping, QC NDT Level 3, QC NDT RTFI, and QC Welding Inspectors. Aramco approved or Aramco experience candidates are required. Next is for Bahrain, and the position is sales executive. Interview upon CV shortlisting. So first you need to send your CV for shortlisting. Once it gets shortlisted, they will connect with you for the interview. So this is for Bahrain sales executive position. It's a Bahrain contact number, so you can approach them on WhatsApp, and the email ID is clearly mentioned. Next is it's a long term project for Saudi. Positions are pipe fitters. Number of openings 80. Required ITI or high school with minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry. Proficiency in using large and small hand and tools including cables, crowbars, wet gauge and jacks. Gulf experience is a must. Client interview will be in Baroda on 24th of September. You can see the address and contact details are given below. Next is for Bahrain again. Long term project. Online client interviews will be there shortly. Positions are planning engineer. Age limit is up to 30 year. Qualification bachelor degree in civil or BTech in construction, minimum 4 to 6 years of experience in EPC, civil, E&I, mechanical or oil and gas industry is must. Second is auto painter or denter, qualification minimum high school pass and minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in automobile industry. 8 hours duty with attractive salary, OT, food allowance included in salary, accommodation allowance will be provided by the company, transportation will also be provided by company. So these are the contact details for Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai and Vizag. Interviews will be, they have not mentioned the interview date and location yet. So you can approach to any of their office. Next is Form 1. This is for a hospital maintenance project. Line interviews will be on 21st of September. Positions are AC supervisor, HVAC technicians, quantity surveyors, diesel mechanics, electrical technicians, electronic technicians, pump mechanic, kitchen and laundry technicians, HVAC supervisors, mechanical supervisor, mechanical technicians, MEP engineers, plumbers, mason, duct fabricator and control panel technicians. Attractive salary plus other benefits will be provided by company. All candidates should have experience in hospital or similar maintenance project. So shortlisting in progress. You can send your documents along with updated CV for the shortlisting. Next is for Saudi, it's a free recruitment, long term project. Client interviews will be held soon. Positions are assistant manager procurement, senior or junior procurement engineer, expeditor procurement, and procurement officer. So, all procurement related positions are there. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. You can see the contact details, address, and WhatsApp numbers. So, this was free recruitment for Saudi. Next is for Kuwait. It's a long-term project. Client interview shortly at Chennai, Kochi, and Mumbai. So, production manager in quality control, HV switchgear assembly, power distribution, transformer assembly and planning. Production engineer in same fields, and assistant production manager in prefabrication, switchgear and transformer assembly and HV switchgear. So, manager, assistant manager LV, electrician, industrial welding, 200 openings. CNC machine operator, fitter fabricator, painter, assembly fitter, maintenance technicians, power winder, CNC programmer, distribution winder, CNC machine operator, production storekeeper, heavy driver, QA testing engineer, transformer, QA testing engineer, switchgear, and mechanical engineer, QA, assistant engineer, transformer testing, foreman, QA technicians in mechanical and electrician. So you can see there are many positions, and those who have experience in power plant or distribution will be preferred. All candidates should have degree, diploma, ITI with 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Indian experience will be considered. For assembler and CNC operators, fresh ITI holders can apply. So those who are freshers, just completed their ITI, can also go for assembler and CNC operators positions. So you can contact them on given position, given contact details. Interview locations will be Chennai, Kochi and Mumbai. Next is Form 1. Positions are QA/QC manager civil, QA/QC engineer civil and QA/QC inspector civil and mechanical. Senior quantity surveyor in civil, project contracts engineer, material engineers, mechanical or electrical, material inspector, mechanical electrical, AutoCAD draftsman diploma and foreman diploma. So all candidates should have water pipeline networks, sewer line networks and water reservoir pump stations roads and other ancillaries, infrastructure related, mechanical. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress. So you can approach with relevant documents. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment. Client interview will be online. Interview is in progress basically. So if you found any suitable position, you can apply immediately. This is for Jubail location. It's near to Al Khobar or Dammam. Basically, it's near Dammam. So it's Aramco approved. QC manager civil, QC supervisor mechanical, QC inspector structural, QC inspector civil, welding, piping, painting and coating, batch plant and NDT coordinator. So these all are QC manager, supervisor and inspector level positions. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Candidate should be having sufficient experience in industrial construction, oil and gas, petrochemical, power plant or pipeline installation. Candidate must be having Schedule Q knowledge, must be having Aramco approval of respective discipline in oil and gas project. Candidate currently working in Saudi with transferable Ikama can also apply. So these are the contact details. Next is for Kuwait and the positions are vehicle coordinators, lab manager civil and HSC trainer. Attractive salary plus other benefits. Shortlisting in progress. Below are the contact details. So friend, for detailed requirements you can take a screenshot and read it carefully. Next is for Qatar. It's a long term project. Shortlisting in progress. So positions are AutoCAD draftsman, knowledge of AutoCAD, expert as machine operator, mechanical draftman, minimum 4 plus years of experience is required. Piping plus tanking experience is an added advantage. So interested candidate can mail their CV on the given email ID and they have provided the WhatsApp number as well. Next is for Bahrain. It's a long-term project. Shortlisting in progress. Positions are electricians. The electricians is the positions. Experience, street road lights, substations experience and building experience. Only Gulf experience is required. So those who have Gulf experience only can apply for this position. Below are the contact details. Next is for Qatar for a long-term project. Positions are vehicle equipment inspector and transport coordinator. A minimum of 5 years of Gulf experience is must for both the positions. Next is for UAE for oil and gas construction project. Positions are construction manager E&I and quantity surveyor E&I. Degree in engineering with 10 plus years of relevant experience in oil and gas projects is required. So to apply, you can send your CV on sin13@synclus.com. Next is for NSH Qatar. Shortlisting in progress. Client interview will be on 24th of September. Positions are supervisor safety, officer safety, supervisor instrumentation, mechanical, painting, welding and piping, foreman in same field, leadman scaffolding, piping, instrument and welding, fabricator steel metal, welder structural 4G, technician hydro test fitter, instrument fitter, pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, structural fitter, tube fitter, level 3 rigger, TIG and arc welder, sheet metal fitter and brush painter. So minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry is required. Attractive salary, food, accommodation will be provided by company. You can see the contact details. Interviews will be in Gopalganj, Bihar. Next is for Abu Dhabi again. Client interviews will be on 24th of September. Positions are piping foreman, welding foreman, painting foreman, pipe welder, pipe fitter, brush painter and rigger. Minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry is required. For this posting, you can reach out to Mumbai Asia Power office details. This is for Qatar. Shortlisting in progress and interviews will be online, Zoom interviews. So friends, you can see there are two type of position. In first section, it will be a Zoom interview, and in second section, it's a CV selection. So you just need to share your CV. So first, supervisor instrumentation, mechanical, painting, welding, piping, foreman electrical, instrument and mechanical, foreman painting, piping, rigging, welding, safety officer, safety supervisor, charge and instrument building, they all are leadmans are required. And in CV selection criteria, rigor level 3, fitter hydro test, instrument pipe structurer and tube, technician hydro test, welder structurer, fabricator sheet metal, welder TIG and arc, fitter sheet metal. So 3 years of experience with 6 years of oil and gas construction experience is must. So total you should have 6 years of experience in oil and gas construction, out of which 3 years should be in Gulf. Next is for Saudi, positions are material controller and document controller. Experience in oil and gas is required. You can see the contact details below. Next is for Saudi, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Direct line interview will be on 21st of September in Mumbai and 27th of September in Chennai. Positions are contract administrator, QS electrical, QS mechanical, electrical engineer, PLFF engineer, HVAC engineer, draftman MEP, draftman electrical, draftman HVAC, draftman PLN. So friends, you can see the positions and salary range is given, and year of experience plus qualification whatever is required for all the position has been mentioned. Candidate with relevant experience are requested to submit their CVs for shortlisting. Below are the details. Next is for Abu Dhabi, civil supervisor and QC inspector. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. Gulf experience is required. Oil and gas experience is preferred. So you can see the contact details. This was for Abu Dhabi. Next is for UAE, direct client interview. It's a facility maintenance company. Interview will be on 24th of September at Trichy. Positions are MV engineer, power system engineer, control system engineer, HVAC engineer, HVAC pumps, FLS engineer, FM engineer, senior supervisor and team leader. So friends, you can see job category as salary range in AD and number of openings are given. Further, for more detail, you can contact on given numbers. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 24th of September at Trichy and 25th in Madurai. Positions are foreman tiles, foreman painting, stone, joinery and scaffolding, general finishing, concrete, shuttering and electrical foreman. So all foreman positions salary range will be 3,500 to 4,500 dirham. HAC inspector, 50 numbers of openings are there and fresh candidates can apply. So free food accommodation minimum experience candidate may apply. Transportation and medical insurance will also be provided by company. So these are the contact details. Next is for UAE. Interviews will be on 24th at 3G. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Positions are senior electrician, BMS operator, senior technicians HVAC technicians, senior plumber and plumber. Accommodation, transportation, medical will be provided by company. Next is for Oman. Position is HSC advisor, graduate in electrical engineering with minimum 7 plus years of work experience in any electrical project in substation, power project, oil and gas field. Must have certified NEBOSH IGC. Strong English communication skill. Gulf experience is an added advantage. So these are the contact details. Next is for Oman. So we have already seen this in the beginning. So friends, this was the posting for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and was useful for you. So please like the video and share with your friends, those who are looking for Gulf jobs, and take benefit of these free recruitments. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get daily notification, because I'm posting jobs on a daily basis and I'm posting most genuine jobs from the top consultants in India. So thank you for watching.